In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to log in Opay without face verification. So face verification means maybe you are using your iPhone, right, and you don't want to turn on or you don't want to log in through your face verification. So this is how you can actually go about it. I'm actually on Android device, I agree, but I'm going to show you how to find and how to turn off your face verification on your own Opay account. So all you just need to do, just open your Opay account on your iPhone. Then down below you can see main. Just click on main option right there. Then at the top right you can see the settings icon, this settings icon at the top. So just click on it, right? Then you can see login settings. So just click on login settings. Then gonna show you this option right here. You can see password, pattern, biometrics. So you can see login with fingerprint. So I already turn on fingerprint because Android actually use fingerprint. So what you're gonna see is login with face ID or face verification. So once it's already turned on, you have to turn it off so that you'll be able to log into your Opay without face verification. I believe this help you. If yes, you can actually subscribe to this channel and like this video so that other people will be able to see and find it helpful just like you.